Hello everyone. If you're a business that offers classes or group bookings, in this video we will look at how to set up classes and group bookings within Whautomate platform as such, and how to add participants to those classes and send notifications, those type of things we will look at in this video. The first thing that we want to do is navigate to the services menu option under catalog, and I'm going to create a new service. The service type has to be the class or group event because we want more than one people to be participating in that event. I'm going to give it a name. Let's call it as demo class, and you can put in a duration for this class, let's say 60, and you can put in a price for this class as well. And you can select the staff that will be offering this class. In this instance, I want to select the demo user, and the number of participants, these are the number of people that will be allowed to book this class online as such. If you're following along this tutorial series, we've talked about these three options within the appointment section as well. It's kind of similar. Let's say you have this success payment online turned off. That means when someone is booking a class with your business, they don't need to pay for the class upfront while booking. This is where you collect the payment at the business location or something. So you can turn this off or turn this on depending on your business need. Allow online appointment. If this is turned off, you won't be able to schedule classes. If the service is inactive, that means this service is no longer in use. Let's say you have been offering a particular class and you no longer offer it. If you want to disable that, you can just turn this active flag off. I'm just going to click on save, and I'm navigated to the classes tab. Earlier we didn't have the classes tab. Once you save, you should be able to see the classes. So what we have set up is the service for the class. Now we are able to schedule the classes for the service. So in order to schedule classes for the service, I'm going to click on add class menu option, and by default the service is already selected. I'm going to select the staff that is offering the class. In the instance of multiple staff that offer the class, you can select the one that's offering that particular schedule as such. I have the option to schedule the class at a specific date. Let's say I want to offer it at a time in the evening. Okay, the date and time is set. If this is an online class, I have the ability to provide in the meeting link. Let's say I want to provide the Zoom link or something, I can do that with the password as well. I'm not going to add this for this demo. And the last option we have is, in most instances, the businesses that offer group bookings will do it on a regular basis, on a recurring basis. So if you are a business that offers recurring classes, you could do that. It just saves time while scheduling the class for you. And you have several different options. Let's take a minute to understand that as well. So we have daily. Let's say you offer this particular class every day of the week, then you can choose this daily option. Let's say you offer this only on a specific day within the week, then you can select the weekly option, and you can select the days of the week as well. Let's say you offer only on the specific dates of the month, you also have that option to do so as well. I'm going to choose daily for this demo, and the repeat times is the number of times the classes needs to be scheduled. Let's say I select daily and the repeat times is 8. That means 8 classes will be scheduled as such. I'm going to click on save. As you can see here, it has actually scheduled all of the classes for me as well. And these classes can be accessed here and also on the calendar under appointments menu as well. If you scroll down, you should be able to see all of the classes here as well. And under the upcoming tab as well, you should be able to see all of those classes that we just scheduled. In order to add participants, you can navigate into the class detail. You can navigate into the class detail from all of the places where you see the classes. When you click on class from the calendar, it will navigate, or any other option, you can just click on the class view class detail option to get There are several ways you can add participants. You as a business owner or an administrator who schedule the class, you can manually add the participants here and select a client, and if they have credits or something, you can apply, which we'll talk about in the coming videos. And you can click on save. The participant will be added. If you would like to mark as visited or mark as no-show, this is a way for you to mark the attendance for a particular client. Let's say you want to cancel the booking for that particular client as well. You can click on cancel to cancel the booking as well. We have several other options. If you would like to edit the class and reschedule or whatever that you want to do, you always have the option to do so at any given point in time. If you complete the class, you want to mark the class is completed, you can click on that and mark is complete. And if you'd like to cancel the class, you can do so as well. I'm going to add one more participant just to show the attendance submitting of attendance in bulk. The ones that are cancelled, you won't be able to submit attendance for them. If you have 10 participants and you want to submit all of their attendance in bulk, you can select this option and mark as visited will submit attendance in bulk as well. And we have several other options as well. Let's say from a payments point of view, this will show by default if they have booked the class using credits or they have paid online, it will show the payment details as well. In this instance, since we added it and we never applied credits as well, the payment options are still available for us. Either we can apply credits. If the client has credits associated with your business, you can apply the credits, or you can create an invoice and send the invoice to the client as well. Just going to click that option just to show. Now that our invoice is kind of created, we can review. If you'd like to give discount or add tax or whatever, you can do that. And since we have integrated WhatsApp as well, this option is enabled as well. I can always request payment on WhatsApp as well. By default, this would generate the payment link as well, and the payment link would have been sent to the client as well. I can either, if the customer is at the location, you can scan this, you can ask them to scan this QR code to make the payment, or they could look at the message and make the payment as well. And let's say if they have made the payment at the store, you can always record payment here, which we saw at the invoice demo as well. I'm just going to record payment. Paid. Let's go back to the class. Yeah. Now that our invoice is paid, as you can see here, the payment option has now been marked as invoiced. Now we won't have any other option to make payment as well. This way, people that have already paid for your class or have not paid, so that you can keep a track of that and invoice them or charge them at your business location as well. Once I mark the class is completed, I won't be able to perform any other functions within the class as such, like edit the class or cancel the class. That means the class is completed. Similarly, when I cancel the class, I won't be able to do so as well. That's it on the classes demo. In the next video, we will look at how to set up notifications to be sent to the clients, reminders, and everything automatically from our Whautomate platform.